Hi everyone, there's a little bit more done on my MK5 Cortina A.K.A. the Moose, for the people that know it. It's just rained, so it's had a little wash. I've been just getting door hardware fitted today, so now the door opens and closes and locks and unlocks with a key. All 4 doors now are fully functioning with hardware. I've just got to get a couple of decent door cards, which I'm getting off Darren tomorrow, and I can fit the front door furniture up and get them fully built. But it's certainly getting there. C-pillars are all on. Various bits I've been doing over the last few days. I've got some kind of interior in there, some sound deadening, carpets, bits and bobs. But I've ordered a headlining and still waiting for that, and obviously I can't fit everything else until the headlining and the screens are in. But it's slowly taking shape. It's drivable now. I can actually drive it around, and it brakes, and it's got a handbrake. Electrics looks to be a bit of a nightmare at the moment. I've got some sort of shorts, but I'll go for that in good time. But yeah, she's certainly looking good. The whole thing. Yeah, don't really know much else to say, but there it is.